Welcome to Sri Hari English Classes Rajkot. There are always some stories which encourage us. Let's learn something. એક છોકરો હતો તે હોશિયાર હતો પણ આળસુ હતો.
Once there was a boy who was clever, but he was very
તે
lazy.
કોઈ દિવસ તેનું હોમવર્ક કરતો નહીં.
He never bothered to do his homework.
એક દિવસ ટીચરે તેને 10 દાખલા હોમવર્કમાં આપ્યા, છોકરાએ દાખલા ન ગણ્યા.
One day 10 sums were given to him as homework. The boy did not solve the sums.
બીજા દિવસે ટીચરે બધા વિદ્યાર્થીની નોટબુક ચેક કરી, છોકરાની નોટબુક ખાલી હતી.
Next day, the teacher checked the answer book of all the students. The boy notebook was found blank.
ટીચરે છોકરાને પૂછ્યું શા માટે હોમવર્ક કર્યું નહીં.
The teacher asked him why his notebook was blank.
છોકરાએ જવાબ આપ્યો પહેલા 5 દાખલા મને નહોતા આવડતા તેથી મેં ન ગણ્યા.
The boy replied that he did not know how to solve the first 5 sums, so he could not do the homework.
પછી ટીચરે બીજા 5 દાખલા વિશે પૂછ્યું.
Then the teacher asked him about the other 5 sums.
છોકરાએ જવાબ આપ્યો 5 દાખલા મને આવડતા હતા તેથી મેં ન ગણ્યા.
The boy replied that those 5 sums do know very well, and so there was no need
No
to
need to
solve them.
What did you learn? What is the moral of the story?
If you are willing to do something, you can get uncomfortable ways and means to do it. But if you don't, you will be keep sitting.
You will be keep sitting. Yeah, you are right.